What's going on, pop stars? Baby girls wanted some milkshakes, so that's what we're making. Good old Oreo cookies, left over from a few months ago. Some vanilla ice cream. Brand is Turkey Hill. And we ran out of milk, but we do have almond milk, so this is going to be very interesting and even healthier. Stay tuned. So the babies wanted to make some milkshakes. So even though we don't do a lot of junk food, we happen to have a few Oreo cookies left over from a few months ago that we had actually. So we stopped by the grocery store and picked up some ice cream. There was very slim pickings because of this mess that's going on in the atmosphere. And then we got some milk, almond milk, because we're going to make ours a little healthier. And just go this route and see how it tastes. I think it'll taste great, mainly because the main ingredient is the Oreos and the vanilla ice cream, but this will be our first time making it, so this will be interesting. Let's take a couple scoops of that, mama, and put that inside the blender. All right, probably put another scoop. I would put 3 scoops. All right, and how many cookies do we have over there, Mama?
We have 8.
8? All right, let's say we'll reserve 3 of them to crush and put on the top, and the others we'll just chunk in there.
Okay.
Okay, we might want to put some bigger scoops. Put some more scoops in there. Because I feel like if we're going to make us a milkshake, we're going to make us a milkshake. This is the moderation I be talking about, you guys. You don't have to eat junk food all the time, but when you do it, just do it and have fun, and then jump back on to eating well with your next meal. All right, do another one. Okay, so now I think what we should do is we should probably put the Oreos in there. Put the Oreos in. Don't put them all. Just put leave 3 on the plate. We'll leave the rest to kind of garnish. That looks so good. Look at those Oreos. All right, and then take some milk, almond milk, and pour. Let's see. We'll just kind of play it by ear because, like I said, we've never done this. First time for everything. Keep going. I think that's good. All right. All right, so it's looking at about 2.5 cups per the blender measurements, and then we're just gonna try and do this. Okay, Mama, put the lid on. I think we're ready. All right, let's plug it in. And wait, there's a milkshake?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh!
Well, who knew? There's a milkshake setting. Aw, snaps. Take it away, baby girl. Okay, we stopped it to check on it. It looks really good. It smells amazing. It's real frothy and kind of thick. Okay, so we put some more ice cream. because it tastes great, but it wasn't as thick as we wanted it to. And we're just going to kind of pulse it some. All right, I think that's good. Let me check. Oh, yeah, look at that milkshake consistency. What? You saw that? Bloop, bloop. See if we can get another one. Bloop, bloop. All right, let's crush those rest of the Oreos. Okay, put them in a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. It'll end up floating to the bottom of the cup, so we good either way.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're good to go. Go wash your hands. Okay. So we just crushed up the last 3 that were left, just to kind of chunk them in there. Okay, let's see how it turned out. Oh, yeah. Pour some in the other cup. That's mine, so just put a little bit. I just want a little bit. I'm going to cheat just a little bit. Make sure some froth is in yours and your sister's. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I want that lump. Turn it. Let me see that lump. Yeah. Thank you very much. All right. Last step is the Oreos. So it's just like I was saying, you guys, moderation. We're doing it, but as you can see, we don't have full cups. We're just kind of getting a little taste just to kind of soothe the sweet craving. And then on our next meal, we can jump back on and be good. Ha ha. That's how you do it. It's not that you can't have it. You just want to have it in moderation and then don't overdo it. It's balance. Looks good. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a quick little video. We were just in the mood for some, some milkshakes and decided we have the stuff at home, so we will make it ourselves and save some money. So if you have not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. When you like the episode, give us a thumbs up. And if you have anything you want to share, leave a comment down below. Until next time.